There's a cat. There's a cat. What kind of... Oh, hey! Cats, I don't... Oh. It looks like it's on Earth. Mas, Lúcio, como foi que tu conseguiu entrar aqui, Lúcio? Me diz. Mas que pode? Eu vim botar sabão na máquina agora. E olha o que é que eu encontro dentro da máquina.
Once the fear's over, this cat may realize that he could produce some magic using this sound.
What? What are you doing? I know what you're doing. I saw what you're doing.
Technology firms, when you'll invent a product that could help cats get things on the screen,
Literally, what is he doing?
so talking to himself in front of the mirror didn't help this cat to be more confident.
Oh my God, Frank. Get down. What is happening? Oh, sweetie.
Another proof that cats are liquid. Sometimes we tend to forget that cats have bones. They don't even like cereal. They just want to make humans suffering. Making a perfectly round snowball's pretty hard when your pats are fat.
What?
Seems like someone has literally fallen in love with this actor. Cats, the only creatures that could casually express that they want to break our stuff, and we'd still find that adorable. You and your bestie sneakily get out of the party to get home together. Cat lovers, show this video to your lazy cat so they may learn how to give human a hand. Wake up, open the bedroom door to see cat hanging like this is a great way to start the day.
Oh my God.
A tutorial on how to get down in the most elegant way. You gotta slide first. Best outfit of the day must go to this cat right here.
Oh, he's so sweet, guy.
Even the manufacturers could never imagine that cats would use their product this way.
You guys, this is real life. What are you doing, sir?
Gotta make sure that I look good in every angle. Human be like, I have a treasure under my couch, and proceed to show us their 3 cats.
It's glaube ich wollte sie nicht mehr.
Let's go.
Sometimes even the parents don't know if they raise a cat or a dog. Which team are you in? Fur or no fur? Comment below. Who taught this cat to stick their tongues at humans?
What are you doing? Oh my god.
Cats in their natural habitat, running crazily for no reason. If you're a true cat lover, you would immediately realize those paws. Seems like the curtain is Cat's target for today. Honey, that pot is for cooking. Please get up.
Sleepy baby.
No cat was hurt in the making of this movie.
I said no. No hungry, ma'am.
Human, I turned on the light so you could capture my beauty better. Let's dance the night away. Which cat made you laugh the most? Share with us in the comment below. Thank you and see you soon.